So today you joined me mildly frustrated. I was doing an install on a part, filming it, everything was going well, until I realized that one of the factory pieces that I'm going to have to, well, I thought I was going to be able to reuse, started breaking. And so I had to put everything back together. I got to order a new factory thing. I'm not going to spoil what it is. It's nothing too exciting, but it's still something cool. But anyway, I got everything back together, and I still have this time slotted away today to do an install of something, so I'm going to do Mudflaps. Shut up, I like Mudflaps. So I got front and rear Mudflaps that I'm going to put on, and yeah, you can come with me. So these are a fairly simple install. They just kind of go right here like so. You got some little dirt. Got these two holes here, which are going to line up with these guys right here, and it comes with some longer little studs in there to use, and then underneath it just hooks into a factory screw, so should be easy peasy. Let's do this. I just noticed something because I'm an idiot. They have a little hole to push in. Well, that should make it easier. That makes it a hell of a lot easier. Then we want to clean our mounting area. A little bit of Windex. And then peel off some of the adhesive. So these go on pretty easy. At least they should. Just pop this here. Put this here. It's a bit of a pain. This little guy doesn't want to go all the way in, but the adhesive on here should keep everything happy. It's in there pretty stoutly. So let's go do the other side, which is weird. You would think this piece behind it would come off, but I got the official BMW instructions and it says it stays on. So for whatever that's worth. Anyway, I'm going to do the other side now. The other side is done, and now it is time to put on one of the rears. Now, people will tell you have to remove the rear tire in order to do these. I am here to tell you that you do not. So there is enough room to do this without removing the tires. So once you remove the screws, and they correspond here, here, and here. So it's pretty easy to tell where they are. You got two long ones and one short one. Long, and then the inner one is the short one. Now, this is an M Sport bumper, so I'm only using those three mounting screws, but on the bottom of it you can see there are two others. So on the M Sport, those two other screws, well, they're just not there. But these three, in addition to the adhesive, should be just fine to hold these on. Next, clean off the old mounting surface for the adhesive. And then we will remove the adhesive. Wire cutters come in so handy for these. And it's off. Then I'm going to moisten this so they don't stick automatically. Now it is kind of a pain to line this up. Of course, this part would be easier with the tire off, but we're not doing that. There it is. Oh, I had it. There we go. There. And the good thing is, once you get one of the holes lined up and screwed in, because this is an OEM piece, everything lines up perfectly. And there is the final product. I know it might not be everybody's taste, but I certainly like them.